Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Wells Fargo Rewards Points efficiently, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Wells Fargo online account. Navigate to the rewards section from your account dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the rewards page. Identify how many points you currently have available. Decide how you want to redeem your points. You can choose from options such as cashback, travel, gift cards, or merchandise. For cashback, select the cash redemption option. Review the available cash rewards and choose the amount you wish to redeem. If you prefer travel, click on the Travel Rewards section. Explore the options to book flights, hotels, or rental cars. Keep an eye out for any bonus offers that may enhance your travel experience. For gift cards, browse through the selection of retailers. Choose a gift card that you would like to redeem your points for. Check the point value required for your chosen gift card. If merchandise is your preference, explore the available products. Make sure to read the product descriptions carefully. Compare point values to ensure you are getting the best deal. Once you've made your choice, confirm your redemption selection. Review the terms and conditions for your chosen redemption method. When everything looks good, finalize your redemption request. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation of your points redemption. Regularly monitor your points balance to stay updated. Consider setting a goal for accruing more points in the future. By following these steps, you can maximize the value of your Wells Fargo Rewards points. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.